everyone, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. I feel like I have to do an introduction back to my channel because I literally haven't filmed a video in so long. Also, I filmed a bunch of videos months ago but then never ended up posting them. Some of them were like Ipsy unboxings and it just feels weird to post those now, so I guess those are going to the graveyard. Oh, we love that. There are some videos that are on my camera that I do want to post, but just know they're very belated. But I really just want to get these videos out, especially before this year ends, because it is December, and I'm still, like, that's still sinking into my brain. But anyways, that was a long spiel. Welcoming myself back to my channel, but I'm Katie. I post beauty, lifestyle, and more, and stuff. I do a lot of projects, I do a lot of panning, I do some unboxings, and I just really want to get back to my channel. So hello, hi, we back. And I think filming this video will be a goal to start editing. I definitely want to do like a catch-up video soon, but yeah, let's just get to this video. So today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing for the icon box in November. And I guess I didn't really think this one through because it's going to be half like a try-on, half not. And stuff, but this box was curated by Lisa Vanderpump, which I found very interesting that they had a housewife curate this. I mean, it's on brand, I feel, but yeah, it was very interesting to me. But I love the icon box, and to get the icon box you do have to subscribe to either the regular glam bag and the glam bag and the BoxyCharm. It's so weird saying BoxyCharm as part of Ipsy. I just find it so strange, even though it's been a thing for like 2-ish years. Or like a year, I don't know how long it's been, but even though it's been a thing for a while, I just still find it funny. But this, yeah, this month's box was curated by Lisa Vanderpump, and I love the little magazine it comes in. It tells you about like all the stuff you could have got and that kind of stuff. And I do want to say the price of Ipsy is going up from $30 to $32 for the BoxyCharm. I'm not sure what it is for the glam bag because I don't get that one. I could definitely look it up and put it on the screen if you guys are curious. And then Icon is going up from $60 to $65, I believe, and I believe there's still the $1.99 shipping and handling fee in there, and stuff. So yeah, that's it for this, I suppose, but let's just get to the unboxing. So the first thing I'm going to be trying that is in this is the Katiexobeauty Angel Face Heavenly Setting Powder. It just looks like that. And I don't think I've tried this, even though it looks messy. I don't think I've tried it. But yes, but this is what it looks like. That's the packaging. Super cute. I love the purple or pink or whatever it is. I think it's like a little bit of both. It's very nice, and I love a setting powder, and I just used up like 2 that I was obsessed with that I think I might have also got an Ipsy. So I'm just gonna load up my powder brush. I've only really set under my eyes, and we're gonna see how this is. I do like a setting powder stuff just to set it down. I don't really need too much in the winter time, but I do still like one. Especially on the days when I'm more active. I do like that. It's definitely like doing something to my skin, which my skin is doing better. It's been having its moments. It's like a teenager. But yeah, that's nice. Especially around the nose. I feel like it blurred just a little bit, which we love that. Nice little set. I'm going to pull up the app so I can tell you guys more info about that, which is really nice about Ipsy is when you have their app, you can just look up your products right on your phone, which I think is always nice. So I'm filming this a little bit late. Like I said, it's November, and I'm going to try and get this video up super quick and then be able to do my December one. I think I should still be able to view. I guess not. I guess not. I will definitely look up these products online and tell you guys the retail value of them, but I do really like this. It definitely did a good job setting. We love. I think I used this once, but this is from Il Maquillage, and this is what it is. This is the Bronzer Blush Highlight Pro Palette in Light. So you have 4 different shades. and stuff. That's kind of what it looks like. So you have a bronzer, a blush, and 2 highlights. I think I might try using the bronzer today. Like all my brushes are dirty, which is so freaking annoying. I definitely need to wash them. This is like a liquid brush, but we're gonna risk it and use it with the bronzer and see how it is. Definitely has color payoff for sure. I don't know if I necessarily need that much, but you know, we'll try. Go around the nose. Definitely adds color to the face. I'm gonna also use the highlight. I think last time I used this, I used that shade, but today I'm gonna use this one. I just did a lot, but we're gonna see. Oh, that is so pretty. Especially if you like press it in like that. Whoa, I like that a lot. Yeah, especially like pressing it. But yeah, I really, really like this. It's super fun. I don't really know what to say about it. Okay, my lips are feeling a little dry, so next I'm going to go into lip product. There's actually 2 lip products. I don't know if I'll try them both. We'll kind of see. But the next one is from Polite Society, which I've heard of. And this is the Polite Pout Glossy Lip Gloss. And let's kind of see. I think this is going to be similar to like any of the... Whoa! Oh my god, it tastes good. I got a little bit in my mouth. Wasn't expecting that color. That is way more pigmented than I was expecting. So it kind of got everywhere. So don't mind that. But yeah, that was so pigmented and so like just... I was not anticipating that at all. Like not one bit. And then next, I'm so excited about this. This is the Tarte Juicy palette. I think it's like the smaller one. They also have a big one. I don't own it, but I think my mom does, so I've like used it before, as one would. But I'm so excited about this. So it's like the smaller Tarte Juicy palette, and I was so excited about this when I realized I was getting this in my box. I don't think I picked this. I think like they picked it for me, and the colors in here so beautiful. Like look at those colors. I'm so excited. So let's just get to it. Okay, we're gonna start out with this Blossom color. I think it's like a light pink. Hoping it'll apply like pretty light so I can use this to like set my lids and just add a base. I think I should be able to get that there. Yeah, pretty light. This is not my typical crease brush, but we're gonna roll with it for today. I'm taking the color Happiness now, which is this color, and we're just gonna go in the crease with that. Definitely look crazy because that light pink shade did add something. Oh well. Trust the process. Also, I forgot to zoom you guys in, so oops. But let's move on. Just, I don't know, that shade is so light. I also don't know if it's due to the brush I was using, because it is not my norm. I don't know, maybe this will be a little bit better. I am going to go in with a little bit of a deeper shade. I'm trying to decide if I want to use like Petal or if I want to use that brown. I think I might do the brown, but just do it with extremely light hands. So start on outer and then go inner. I like this, but I don't know. I feel like the crease shades just aren't what I was expecting. Okay, so now for the lid shade, I have like 2 shades I really want to use. I think I'm gonna go for like the lighter side today, just for today. But I'm gonna take the shade Paradise, which is like a pinky rosy color, but like on the lighter side-ish. And we're gonna put that on our lids. Oh, I love how that looks. It is so pretty. It's just like nice and like light and pearly, but it's so pretty. And yes, we did get a little bit of fallout, but just tap it out. And I definitely could see it being very pretty if you did like a glitter glue or sprayed the brush. So maybe I'll also do that. I hate how I get fallout though. I know I can just like wipe it away, but it is a little bit annoying. So yes, there is a little bit of fallout, but it's okay. I'm loading up my brush and I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna try and do it on both eyes without having to redip. And I'm gonna apply it to the inner corners. And then I kind of want to blend with whatever's left. And then I might also go in with that luscious color, that darker color, just for a blend. Wow, that's pretty. And yeah, just stamp it there, kind of like that, and then blend. I do wish there were better transitions in the palette, but I like it. I do like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish off the rest of my makeup, which isn't much, and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna talk about the last final things that I'm not trying out. So the first one, I believe I did pick this. It's the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I think I tried this like once, and I'm interested to try it again. This is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, like I said. So it's just a toner essence. And I've always wanted to try an essence, and I haven't. I'm not really sure what this does, but I do have it, and I'm excited to like test it out more. And then I haven't tried this yet, but it does sound good. I can't remember if it was picked for me or not. This is the Caress Clay BHA's HA's, which I love BHA's and HA's. This is like a detox pore clarifying mask, which I was definitely needing. And stuff. So I'm really interested to see how this works. Like, nothing on this bottle is in English. Like, barely nothing. Anything is in English. I think it's all in a different language. But I'm excited to try that. And lastly, maybe I will put this over what I'm already wearing. This is from Liss Beauty, and this is their Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. If I can get this open. It's in the shade Sincere. Let's see. I'm not sure color-wise, but I guess we'll see. I definitely wouldn't wear this like on its own because it is pretty matte, but like with a gloss over it, I feel like it would look good. Okay, so I liked this box. Was it the best icon box I've ever gotten? No. But was it a good icon box? Yeah, I guess it was. I did like the palette. You do definitely have to work with it, but I did create a really pretty look. The lipstick's nice. I did like the lip balm gloss. I just keep an eye. It's very pigmented. And then I did like the face palette. That was nice. It was just like an okay box for icon. Like, I liked it, but I'm not like wowed away with it, to be honest. I've had way better icon boxes. I feel like icon boxes usually are way better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to let me know any videos you want to see down below. I definitely know I need to get to my project finales, which is so sad being that I haven't updated any of them in months. So it's gonna be a weird year, but this is normally the kind of year, or the time of year where I'm excited for everything, because, you know, new projects roll out, planning to pan. I don't know what a frick I'm doing with panning. I'm trying to get back into things, and I know I said I was going to be better last year, but you know, 2025 is going to be the year. But anyways, that's a topic for another day, but be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.